Hey, today I'll show you how to start investing in cryptocurrency step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you've been wondering where to start, what to know, and how to avoid common mistakes, this video is for you. First of all, crypto is a highly volatile market. You can make money, but you can also lose quickly. That's why rule number 1, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Think of it as learning and gaining experience, not as a get-rich-quick scheme. Before buying your first Bitcoin or Ethereum, take time to understand the fundamentals. Learn how blockchain works. Know the difference between Bitcoin, altcoins, stablecoins, and DeFi or NFT projects. And most importantly, understand the difference between investing and gambling. Your first practical step is picking a crypto exchange. Popular choices include Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase. Look at security, available payment methods, transaction fees. Create an account, go through verification, and only then deposit funds. Don't keep all your crypto on exchanges. Use wallets, hot wallets, mobile or desktop apps, good for small amounts. Cold wallets, hardware wallets, safest for larger investments. Protect your passwords, enable 2FA, and never share your private keys. How should you invest? There are a few approaches. HODL, long-term. Buy and hold for years, ignoring short-term volatility. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Buy small amounts regularly like weekly or monthly. Trading short-term buying and selling, but this requires knowledge and experience. For beginners, HODL or DCA are the safest. Remember, the crypto space is full of scams and false promises. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always do your own research and stick to reliable projects. So, to sum up, start with education, pick a secure exchange, use a wallet, choose a strategy, and always be aware of risks. If you'd like me to make a video about the top cryptocurrencies to watch in 2025, let me know in the comments and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.